Hello, my crafty friends. It's Donna Bell from Shabby Chic Pretty and Sweet. And I have for you today my snippet roll that I received from Edith Murphy in our snippet roll challenge that I hosted in my group Shabby Chic Pretty and Sweet. And she was my partner. And she sent me this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful snippet roll. Edith is a very exceptionally, wonderfully talented lady. And she makes some beautiful, beautiful pieces. And this is the snippet roll that I received from her. And I'm just going to do a real close-up. She has this beautiful, beautiful flower here. She started off, we didn't put them on spools. We did them to hang. And started off with hanger. And then she has this beautiful flower on this beautiful pink lace. And then she has a beautiful bridal applique here and a flat back pearl. And then this gemstone here on this bed of eyelet lace. And then she has this beautiful pink trim coming down here. And a little satin flower. And a flat back pink pearl. And then she has this beautiful netting bow here with a flower in the center. And then this beautiful, beautiful, if you lift that up, she has this beautiful applique here with all these little gemstones on it and flat back pearls. And then she has these beautiful Christmas charms. She has this beautiful bow applique and a flat back pearl and a little flower there. And some lace and this beautiful trim and another, some more lace here. And another beautiful flower here with a gemstone in the center, jewel piece. And this beautiful eyelash trim. I just love this. And she has this sprig of pearls in the flower. And then she has this flat back flower here. She's put this little plant the seeds of love here. And then a flower here. A little flat back pearl there. This braided trim that she's made into a bow with a little doily here and a flat back pearl and a beautiful cross. I love crosses here. This little rose applique. This beautiful flower, resin flower, a flat back pearl. Another bridal applique, some more of that pink trim. These beautiful buttons and this little key and another flat back pearl, and it says blessed. And then here, this beautiful flower here that she has made and put on this eyelash bed of eyelash trim. Isn't that gorgeous? And there's another applique here with rhinestones and pearls. And a little rolled flower here, a flat back pearl, a little birdcage charm, two little satin flowers, another beautiful flower here that she has made, another little applique with a little star center, a little flat back pearl, another little flower, this beautiful purple lace, a little rosebud flower with a couple of flat back pearls, and this beautiful, beautiful flower trim and this little applique lace at the bottom. And now let's do a full, and she's trimmed it on both sides with pink lace. And let me just give you a close-up, and it's all on a bed of lace too. Just do a close-up of it for you. Isn't it just gorgeous? Edith Murphy is one of our, I mean, she's just a very well experienced, talented crafter, and I am honored to own this piece. Thank you, Edith. I just love it. Thank you, thank you, thank you so very much. Thank you. It will be hanging in my craft room. I've just redone my craft room, and this is going to look lovely in here. Thank you so much for this. Again, thank you. Isn't this just gorgeous? We have so we finished out this swap, and now we are working on our, let me move that, we are working on our 13 by 13 snippet quilt block swap. We are going to be doing a swap for these each month until we have at least 12, if not more, to make our wall hanging quilt for our craft rooms. These are done on a 13-inch by 13-inch quilt block, leaving half an inch all the way around open for a seam allowance. And if you're interested in joining in on this swap, come on over to Shabby Chic Pretty and Sweet and join us. Everyone is welcome. There is still time to sign up for this swap. And I thank you, and God bless, and bye-bye.